To make your cardboard stairs, you simply need a piece of card and a pair of scissors. I'm using A4, but different sizes would be absolutely fine. So I'm going to take my cardboard sheet and fold it in half. Crease it down the middle. I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to make a cut a couple of centimeters out from the edge, down from the folded side. And I'm going to cut around to the middle of this piece. And then I'm going to make a symmetrical cut on the other side of the same length. Then I'm going to take this middle portion and fold it down one way, give it a crease, turn the whole thing over and fold it the other way. Crease it again, and then open the card out and push that middle portion through. So we get this. Then I'm going to take my scissors again and I'm going to cut in the same sort of way down from the folded side about halfway down this new section, and a symmetrical cut on the other side of the same length. Then I'm going to take this new portion, fold it one way, turn the whole thing over, fold it the other way, and then once again open it out and push through these new sections. Give it a crease. So I have this, and then finally make two more cuts in the same way from the folded side of this new portion, about halfway down. Symmetrical cut on the other side. And then fold this new portion one way and the other, and then open the whole thing out and push through the final sections. And then I'm going to just fold it over again just to give it a final crease, and there are my stairs. Now you can use these for all kinds of activities, especially if you're a kinesthetic learner, somebody who prefers to see things and feel them in the space in front of you. You can use it for filling the gaps. Da, 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 da. You've actually got 8 steps, assuming you use the lowest one, which is the surface of the card, the table, the ground, wherever you are, as the lowest one. So that gives you a whole scale. If your piece of music is based in a major scale, then you would treat this lowest one as Do, which gives you Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. If you're in a minor scale, you would treat the ground, the lowest step, as the La. Do, Ti, La, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, which gives you lots of flexibility. Of course, this doesn't have to be the lowest note of a scale. You could start wherever you want. So it really depends on the pitch range of your piece of music. You could also use it to practice your solfa. So assuming that the ground is Do, you could start with your 3 steps. Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do. Mix them up. Re, Mi, Do. And then when you're ready, you can add more and use the steps in however way helps you to really form a concrete aural imprint of the melodies that you wish to internalize.